Medafo, mame mo akwaba emfa umbra GCN page so munya ba address me and I'm a way ebro na mestros of subscribe to my channel. Now don't sa emia bell on so be a notification and some echoes will memo be obey BT and as obey be a share a GCN page ha. Ora Steven atubiga and our okase na se why a former NDC member make us because Endra on us way you know if NDC party was say on party because of ensemble or kind say we a politician say we sika or power no kwa say we scan this for antiasia or man suspension and in seminar there no and Ora Steven atubiga HSNDC party no one we now worry about to no e clear omo we yankasa because e yomo founder Papa J, I want you to baby call or friend and a kasa say on NDC party for person more on person NDC party be winning crime to on Papa J no call to man in the party on person NDC be winning 18 December to NDC and I real more na court or more call who baby and fan na a bit more community a bit more and I'm so more from and send the breakosi or court on na daddy nano when na a dear na Papa J. In a dream, say come true. Say NDC party in the yard me winning because NDC party no far more women no any share. Leaders no more crop position women no more no money more and California do or BBA. And no Papa J. I want baby qua or no and now or day NDC by NDC coffee by. Now you dreaming now say NDC party no almost very about to a tree and now no more every year Papa J. crown. Just once Nancy answer court in some course will be not the idea. Yame etunsa ede friend Steven Ora Steven atubiga and now they and same way at to Jano or say NDC party na kasano and some able women no eyadea and yentin pen from more entenase no more no more and solve all more issues and yes our party no baby edunede ebeye di ye papa na Papa J crown or the party the buy no uncle be a wati party abre who say nkaye to aba ka ni dream na NDC berry kan yes anet ne mo na me nsem bi ekoso party when penfo no omonyo munyama yenti ene na so Papa J e kansa na say ena Ura Steven atubiga ede etuja
Jerry John Rawlings. Jerry John Rawlings never wanted NDC to win. What has happened to us is what he wanted. Yes, because of the character of Asiedu Nketianomono. He told me, here we have the best candidate, John Dramani Mahama. The cadres install the parties, no? The structure and sana mo nyina joining. I see, for example, when was he? Before 92, he was a photographer. So if you've risen through the bottom and then when your position, why you are, don't look down upon people.
Before election, who was a photographer?
I'm saying before 92.
Okay.
He was a photographer in Sakumona Estate, Tema area. Everybody photo, that's his name. So if politics are building, respect the foot soldiers, respect the farmers, respect the average Ghanaian, respect the cadres, respect those who have built something that you have joined, and respect that the seat that you are sitting on, others sat on it before. But I respect Potofin very well. Potofin didn't hide his feelings, say on Pejon. He never hid it, and he was a gentleman to walk away. So Posan Pofo should have humbly resign or excuse himself. Now Zoka and a vice chairman be MBD party in him because Wujina by him say what can say we then sakwaya nyachum. So but because of his greed, running the party or Nichocho Muchono, running the party to say a friend say Obano kuni business. We can't be that. Admit Stephen Atubiga. I won't hold any man's manhood. I have one here very strong because I want to be. No, it's a volunteer, and I know my contribution. You see what will happen in 2024. I want those look, people are bitter in the NDC because I'm surprised the number of people are almost fresh said they are with us. I am surprised those who want to work with us. I am surprised those who have given, those who think that yes, and they cannot speak. But we are men. There were men before men. We've slept with dead bodies in wars. We've seen people die. We've carried dead bodies. We've been hurt because of party. We've seen, look, they've neglected that is how useless, excuse my language, for some leader introduction. Yeah, Godfather, your finance. And then if you and me interview, they should joke. We'll match NDC dollar to dollar, pound to pound. Ebi Ibrahim Mama beton the cement factory na for them to have more money if Senebra de Saba. That is how prepared we are. And with that John Dramani Mahama, Obi and Obetimia are challenge here.
But let me find out. Also special resignation letter. No party
okay. Me drew a disciplinary committee say men we hono almost say ampa they don't have any evidence against me for now. No,
evidence. So natural evidence. Why they watch running a moment on something.
But for the fact that my true Bible and say and some my Bible some din say Bible na than abon some. So they didn't have evidence. Party ni almost so many evidence. Ade na me almost na some my better na me ni no so okay because they are seasoned lawyers and they know say they have to show me evidence and the evidence they have to give it to me and I'll prepare and come and defend myself. Up to now I'm at hono. They say 2 weeks. They'll go back to fake and print evidence no more highlight baby no and I'm saying catch almost say making sure say child incompetent of some people put it in writing say either alabi a friend they work catch and I bone and I say alabi ankasa your constitution actually say if you are petitioning against a member you have to put it in writing to the party and the party will serve the person to come and defend, but the party it must be an executive member, not an ordinary person in the party just like me alabi. So I have what it takes to set up a party. Fair, see the party nechi. Me ti eji achirema e ma party ni call efiase no. Nka meti me aka no kra no de si ya me kan san meti nka meti me aka no kra no e wo judges nanim but me jit to me so be in the interest of the party called prison by me call you obi amesra
na no kra be na
oh we kwa me say me ka chiro mo say so ubu koto kwase a nyankopon hwe woto so mpa kire say omu fi so mu kwase no omu tugu ho what you mention
kai me kakra assembly report na kan ya do
me ka say so omu di agro e de eyi no abato no e turn verdict na e de ma MPP a ekuro no enkoye will not fit in. But the judges knew the omunim relationship with John Dramani Mahama. Omunim the role I play in the party because Crawford can say who na chance so what you say no kurasi ni sisa to me kasa I have a lot of we no me invite me say nyesa na me appoint me a minister me obia me pi obia me he man kan because it's what you can do for your party not what your party can do for you. Ono mabu me kwasia me omabu me kwasia me makoda fiase ba mu nyina yeye atoto ada atoto cars ministers say to the extent cross ma opposition even local nyame mfa ne currency na odidi party na John Dramani Mahama atenso ye kronfo say mane bo amam nyina bo amam free MPP no mo cry bejeje positions watch ma cry yanya bi ende me projects na me top projects free ministers ni be empana na mo 10% mpana ministers girlfriends omo the project but me a businessman projects and mama so I didn't worry after all so we are president kura na party opposition
antina NDC wa ba no ton project my girlfriends me say
girlfriends na de breya me eto omo de ma girlfriends they are not able to as they come and sell to us near. I'm just telling you the strike by Yankashi what you say ministers no we are young kwasi adwuma we didn't mind 2016 by we knew that time we said that did Jan Doss. You remember I was the only person 2016 that went say the John Enye careful because the ministers were stupid. Their behavior no would take us to opposition. And as Samokai, I knew what was happening. I knew why we lost. And now Omwa John Mahama Ulusu Yanu they rallied behind you say Yepesi Ema another chance. They want to bargain and get the running mate in their corners. Also be any such a mention as into your coffers, I'm telling you what happened now.